Want to be a great marketer? It's not about the latest tools, it's about understanding people. Marketing is applied psychology, knowing what makes someone click, care, and buy. Every successful campaign taps into a core human desire, fear, or curiosity. You're not just selling a product, you're connecting with a person. Our brains filter out thousands of messages daily. Your job is to break through that filter. This isn't manipulation, it's about communicating what matters to your audience. When you understand psychological triggers, you craft messages that feel personal and relevant. Marketing becomes a science, not a guessing game. The best marketers are great listeners. They know what their audience cares about. Psychology is your roadmap to the human mind. Every principle we'll cover is a tool to build genuine connections. Embrace this. Marketing is a conversation, not a monologue. Ready to unlock your marketing superpower? Let's dive in. The first challenge in marketing? Getting noticed. Our brains are wired to spot contrast. Make your message stand out. Use bold colors, unique images, or unexpected silence to break the pattern. Your call to action should pop, not blend in. Next, appeal to self-interest. People want to know, what's in it for me? Lead with how you solve their problem, not how great your company is. Headlines like, "Stop wasting time on paperwork forever," speak directly to pain points. Finally, trigger emotion. We remember what makes us feel: joy, hope, even urgency. Use storytelling, powerful images, and evocative language to connect. Emotional marketing is memorable marketing. Make your message about them, not you. Stand out, speak to their needs, and make them feel something. That's how you get noticed. Now let's keep them interested. Attention is fleeting, now you need to pull them in. Curiosity is your secret weapon. Tease a benefit or hint at a secret to spark interest. Headlines like, "The SEO mistake costing you traffic," create an information gap people want to close. Use the Zeigarnik effect. People remember unfinished tasks. Progress bars and to be continued content keep them engaged. Social proof is powerful. Show testimonials, reviews, and as seen in logos to build trust. When people see others engaging, they want to join in. Use curiosity, open loops, and social proof to create momentum. Don't just inform, intrigue. Make them want to know more, click, and come back. Engagement is about psychological triggers, not just content. Keep the loop open and they'll keep following. That's how you turn attention into action. Let's build a real connection. Attention and engagement are just the start. Lasting relationships require trust. People buy from brands they know, like, and trust. Be likable. Use a friendly tone, show real people, and share your story. The rule of reciprocity: give value first. Free guides, helpful content, or tools. When you help before asking for anything, you earn goodwill. Use the consistency bias. Start with small asks, like a newsletter sign-up. Each yes makes the next one easier. Micro commitments lead to bigger ones. Likability, reciprocity, and consistency break down barriers. Guide your audience step by step, not with a hard sell. Build a journey, not just a transaction. Trust is earned, not demanded. This is how you create loyal customers, not just one-time buyers. Now let's see it all in action. Let's put it together with Zenflow, a productivity app for freelancers. Their ad stands out with vibrant design and a headline promising 5 extra hours a week. The image shows a relaxed freelancer, selling a feeling, not just a tool. On the landing page, curiosity rules. Discover the 1-minute habit that ends procrastination. A progress bar during sign-up uses the Zeigarnik effect to motivate completion. Social proof is everywhere. Join 50,000 plus freelancers with real reviews and media logos. Zenflow builds trust with a friendly voice and a generous free version. After you've used the app, they nudge you. Ready to unlock unlimited projects? Consistency in action. Every step is designed with psychology, guiding users from curiosity to commitment. That's how you win, by understanding people, not just selling products.